Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Okay class, open the page 323 on book D1 in the exercise 13A. Okay class, now we are moving in question number 12. In question number 12, find the area of surface of a circular pond that has a diameter of 12 meter. In this question, we find the area and we have a diameter. It's a 12 meter. We change this diameter into a radius. We know the formula of radius is half of diameter. Then we put the value of diameter. This is the result. Okay, radius is a 6 meter. Now we put the formula of circular area. This is the formula of circular area. What is the formula? This is the pi r square. Now we put the value of pi r square. The value of r square, r is 6, and when we take the square of 6, this is a 36. This is the area is 36 pi meter square. Now we put the value of pi. This is 3.14. now we multiply 36 into 3.4. the result is 113 meter square. This is the first part of question number 12. Okay class, now we are moving to part number 2. What is the statement? The pond is surrounded by a path of width 2 meter. If its cost $55 per meter square. To pave the path with tiles, find the cost incurred. Okay class, in this second part we know the area of pave path. What is pave path? This is the surrounding or area of a pond. It's a shaded area. This is a pond and this is the pave path. This is a pave path. We find the area of pave path. So this is the also the pave path is a circular path. So we take the formula of area of a circular path. It's a pi r square. So guys, if we find the value of this pave path, then we subtract this area. What is the value of this? This is the 36 pi. We find the value in part 1. So we subtract 36 pi into this area. Okay, what is the value of r? It's a 6. 6 is the radius of pond and 2 meter is the area of the pave path. So we plus these values, 6 plus 2, it's a square form, and minus 36 pi. So we have 8 square minus 36 pi. We have 8 square is the 64 pi minus 36 pi. So we have the result is 28 pi. Now in this question we find the cost of paved path. We have the paved path area. This is the 28 pi, okay, and we have the cost of per meter. This is $55. Okay, what is the cost per meter? It's $55. So what is the total cost? Now we multiply total area of paved path. What is the total area? The total area is 28 pi. Okay. Now with 28 pi multiply by $55. This is the value of pi 3.14, and what is the value of 55? So we multiply all these value. The result is 4838.05. This is the total cost of paved path. Okay class, this is the question and its solution. Now this is your homework. Okay class, goodbye.